We are very incentivized to find new ways of reducing costs of sustainment and increasing the readiness levels of our fleets. And a lot of what we saw today represents a lot of innovation that we're very excited about. I think Dr. Roper will, this won't be his last visit here. He's very excited. He loved all the toys and the robotic arms and the scanning machines. But it's very impressive. It's very impressive, and I can see how that will fit into our future.
You know what that unique piece that exists on that aircraft.
What I saw today is a lot of focus on the human factors, and that's a delineator from what I've seen at other universities, is that the technology and the science is great, but if it can't be applied by the airmen in the field, it's of very little value to us. So I applaud the efforts that I saw here today.
Dr. Roper said he was looking for things that either were more cost-effective or increased readiness. The great news about what goes on here, it's not an or, it is an and. We need to do everything we can in our state, here in Wichita and around the state, to make certain that we remain the air capital of the world because we have the talent and education. And one of the things I particularly appreciate about the visit of these Air Force officials is their enthusiasm and their response to what they saw. So while this is a dream and goal of mine to make certain that that happens, what I saw in their reaction to the students and to the faculty and to what's taking place at Wichita State, in many ways, that is here. And what happens at the Innovation Campus, what happens at Wichita State, is among the most important features that will determine the future of our state. And if I can bring it home to Wichita, that will determine whether or not Wichita is the air capital of the world long into the future. People don't know Kansas, and what they do know about Kansas sometimes has an image different than reality. And I don't know how you can visit Wichita State and NIAR without coming away with the idea that whatever the preconceived idea of who it is that lives here and what this place is like, from the 400 miles east to west and the 200 miles from Nebraska to Oklahoma, I don't know how you can not come to Wichita State and come to this campus without reaching a conclusion. This place is different than what I stereotyped Kansas to be, and it is a selling feature for our state. The number one issue that companies are looking for is the quality of education and the workforce training and the motivation of employees to do the job. The most common conversation I have with a business owner is, Jerry, there are plenty of jobs here. We just need more people to fill those jobs, and they need the training and motivation to do so. And this place is an image changer for the state of Kansas.